I was on a call with Alex Hormozi earlier today, as you can tell by the thumbnail. One of the guys inside the call asked him an amazing question. Hormozi, what are your thoughts on giving away too much free value? I feel like if I give too much away, nobody will value and buy my things anymore, as they do not need me. What are your thoughts? And I'll share with you Hormozi's response in a second. But first, I want to share with you something else that I think applies to this topic really, really well, which is this. And this is stated by Andrew Kirby, one of the guys that works with Hormozi, which is that value equals attention, and attention equals eyeballs, and eyeballs equal money. You see, in this day and age, the most scarce resource in the world is attention. As a matter of fact, I'm fighting for your attention right now to stay on this video and not click off. I'm fighting for your attention along with every other YouTuber and TikToker and Instagrammer and Redditor and Facebooker and you name it. We're all fighting for your attention because that is where most companies actually make their money. How does Facebook make their money? Well, they sell your attention, your eyeball, to advertisers to advertise on their platform. Advertisers just pay Facebook to rent eyeballs from them. That's fundamentally what advertising is you rent eyeballs from somebody else to put your thing there. Think about like TV. You're just renting a storage slot to post your thing so that people that are on that platform see your thing. And so here's the thing. In this day and age, attention is money. And the more attention you have, the more money you make. And you just so happen to gain attention by giving things that people value to make them like you, to make them follow you more. A great example is Hormozi. Look at how many followers he has. He has amassed that by just giving away free value. However, I know you're still not convinced, and neither am I. And that's why I want to read you this article from Alaric Heck, a really good article on LinkedIn. And there's this question, right? Like, what happens if we give away too much value? Okay, and so here's the truth. You can't give away too much value in your content. In fact, the more value you give, the more clients you'll attract. Why? Because people don't pay for information. They pay for transformation. They pay for implementation. They pay for customization. They don't pay for information and knowledge. Okay, I even made a tweet on this the other day, which is that people are scared to give away too much value when I could Google their thing in 2 minutes. The real value isn't in the information itself. It's in the implementation, the customization, the curation, and the transformation of that information. People don't pay for information. They can search it up for free. They pay for curation, personalization, customization, etc. And so when we take this approach, we actually realize that giving away more value actually helps us because it gets us out to more people. And here's the thing. People don't pay for the information. They pay for the implementation. Hormozi has even said this thousands of times that in his $5,000 in-person workshops that he does for big business owners, he tells the same information online, on YouTube, on his podcast, etc. But how come the people there are willing to pay $5,000 to attend that workshop? Because the information that he shares is specific and personalized for them, and therefore they value it more. The other day I was watching a school games recording from a one-day in-person event Hormozi hosted, and one of the guys asked him this question. He said, how do you deal with giving away too much free value? He said, let me ask you this. The things I have told you here today, have you heard me say them before? The guy said, yeah. Plenty of times on your YouTube, on your videos, on your podcast, etc. He said, cool. Have they been any less valuable than they have before? The guy said, no. As a matter of fact, they've been more valuable. They've really helped me out. He said, perfect. The information isn't what's valuable. It's the customization, the personalization, and the curation of that information and the implementation of that information. You see, the value you give away for free is generic. It's broad because you don't know who you're talking to in the situation they're in. So you just give value away for free. And here's the thing. People are like, oh, what if people can use that value to make money? That is the ideal scenario. The ideal scenario is your content is so good that people can use it to make money. Because guess what happens when they use your content to make money for free? They don't go, oh, screw that guy. I don't need him anymore. They go, holy shit. If I learn how to make money for free with that guy's content, I'm like, what else does he have? And they will be attracted to you. As a matter of fact, they will want to work with you. You will attract your dream clients by giving away more value. The guy then went on to say in this article to share a personal story. For years, I was hesitant to reveal our secret sauce for YouTube ads on my YouTube channel, in my posts like this, and in my Marketing Mind newsletter. I thought if I gave away our step-by-step process, why would people want to work with us? But then I had an epiphany. By providing valuable information, I was demonstrating to my ideal clients that I was the true expert they needed. Sure, some people may watch the content and they get what they need. Great. But many more will watch the content, learn from it, and then use it to make a decision that I am the person that they want in their corner, helping them implement that strategy I just taught. Note, I said you can never give away too much free content away. I didn't say you do free work to implement. That's what you charge for. People pay for execution, customization, and transformation. It's the one thing to learn a concept from a video. It's a totally different to have somebody do it for you. People pay for that. Okay? So here's the cool part. The information you're sharing probably already exists. What you think is so secret, somebody else probably already knows. Okay? And so whether they Google it, YouTube it, etc., it's already out there. And so the information you have isn't even that valuable. And in a day and age where now more than ever, subscribers and views, etc., are really calculated by how much value does somebody give. How much value does somebody give? As a matter of fact, I'd argue right now, you watch and you subscribe to the people who you think give you the most value. And they're the ones you like the most. And guess what? They're also the ones that you are the most likely to buy from. Right? And so this exact thing is why giving away value, free value is so good. So good. And it also protects your brand and reputation because now people don't pay for information. Because here's the really cool part. When you pay for information, as soon as you get the information isn't valuable anymore. The second you pay for the information, it's not valuable anymore. This means that if you're trying to sell a service, especially an ongoing service, and if you only sell information or knowledge, people will churn rapidly because the thing that you sold them loses value the second they get access. It's only valuable up until they pay for it. Therefore, indicating tons of problems with churn, etc., inside our business. And so if you want to build a real business, people stay for a long period of time, you have to sell more than just the information. You have to sell more than just the knowledge. You have to sell something that is ongoing, like implementation, like accountability, like personalization, like curation, like a transformation. That's what people will pay for, and that's also what they will stick around for. You see, even myself, I realized that my videos started to get more views when I shared more topics that I was scared to share before. I now share more SOPs, more lucid charts, more mural boards, more presentations than I ever have before. As a matter of fact, I'll even share resources inside my paid community. As a matter of fact, everything inside my paid community you can get for free inside my paid mastermind, you can get for free inside of my free group. Because I know that that's not the true value of the group. The true value is the implementation that I can give you, the customization, the personalization of all of that knowledge to specifically apply it to your situation. That's what I know. That's where the real value comes from, not the information. Because I bet you there's somebody else that has given better information out there that probably explained the topic better than I have. And so that's why I stopped trying to sell the information. I stopped trying to use this as a gap. And guess what happened? I had more people coming to me saying, Stefan, I want to work with you. Because what they noticed is I was actually trying to help. And in a world where everybody thinks everybody is scamming, if you can make people feel like you are actually trying to help them, you will stand in a world of your own. And when you stand in a world of your own, you face no competition. It makes it a lot easier to make money. So the key takeaway is start giving away more value for free. Generate more attention. Get more eyeballs. I mean, hey, if you're still not convinced it works, just go look at Hormozi. He's making quite a bit of money, yet he gives everything away for free. As a matter of fact, inside his YouTube videos, I've seen content in there that other people will charge $15, $20, even $30,000 for, and he will give it away for free because he knows that's not where the value is. And as a result, he makes a pretty penny. Okay, he makes a pretty penny. So, take that as you will. But Hormozi taught me this, and it's served me well ever since. And I think it'll do the same for you. So whether you make content or whether you're giving away a service, give away something so valuable, people know that it cost you money to do so. I give away free calls, not sales calls, free strategy calls with every single person inside my community. I DM every single person inside community one-on-one. I send looms, I send personalized roadmaps, etc. Why? because they know that that costs me time and money. Guess what happens? Therefore, they value it more. I think you see where I'm going with this. The people that give away the most value make the most money. That's how it works, especially in a world where attention is everything. Why do you think some of the biggest companies in the world give away their thing for free? Google, does it cost you money to use it? Facebook, cost you money to use it? YouTube, the platform we're on right now, still associated to Google, but does it cost you money to use it? So why? How do they make money? How do they make money if they give everything away for free? It's the attention, because other people will pay for the attention that they have. That's how it works. And once you realize that, game over. So give everything away for free. Everything. Just give it all away for free. And then sell the implementation, sell the customization, sell the personalization. And you'll feel wanting to work with you. And the thing is, they already know what you do and they already know what you're capable of because of all the free stuff you gave them. So it's a no-brainer close. Thank Hormozi for this, not me. Because he came up with this, not me.